Hey guys, so welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And in this particular video, again, we will see a method of picking a intraday stock. So if you have not watched my video, which is how to use open interest for stock movement predictions, this was basically with the option chain. With the help of option chain, we used to pick a stock and try to predict the movement, basically, which side it can go. So just watch out that video if you have not watched that. It's a learning video. So in this video, we will talk about the futures. So with the help of futures open interest, we will try to predict which stock we can take advantage, because we should always know, like I told you, in price action or fundamental, in whichever method people follow, we should know their psychology, where they are putting money, where people are entering and which side they are moving. So Smart Trader family member can take advantage and scalp over there. So if you would have checked my Instagram post, which I posted today, I think in 49 minutes ago. So traders waiting for the right entry in the market. So this is just a meme where a lot of traders, we wait and we are done. We are tired of it. Basically, these things happen when you don't have much of methods. Let's say you know one method or two method. Because of these two logics, you will be waiting the whole day and you are not confident to take in. But if you know so many methods, or as and when you get more experience, you learn a lot of methods. You would have observed that not one method works in the market. The more the methods you know, it's easy for you to, even though your one or two logics are not working, you try to research from different logics you know. You'll be a little faster and quicker. That's when a trader gets an entry and exit. So just a meme. Our team creates these memes just to keep that fun factor in trading also, not just boring learning and learning. Some fun factor also should be there in trading. All right, so what is that method? So if you can see my screen over here, this is Angel Broking dashboard. Is this the only way to take the stock? No, I will show you the alternatives also, but generally this is an easy platform for me because I also use Angel Broking along with other brokers. So I'll just show you. If you don't have Angel Broking, then I will show you alternative in Google. I'll try to search for you guys and show you an alternative where you can identify these stocks. Now it's a very simple method. Now you can go to the dashboard in Angel Broking. Now it's called Angel One, and then you can go down. You have this derivatives, right? You have this indices, top gainers, top losers, all that. But if you go down, you have derivatives. We are talking about futures now. When I say futures, you can consider this stock in futures trading, or you can consider this for equity, because both are one and the same, just that there will be a small price difference, but both move together upside or downside. Now we are going to the futures. Ignore this price gainers, losers and stuff. Just go to futures open interest, because I told you we are going to use the open interest logic in futures, and then taking a stock in equity or even futures you can trade. Now ignore this gainers and losers. Now we have something called long built up, short built up, long unwinding and short covering. So I'll explain you the logic. Remember, these platforms may change, the information they may change when they update their website. But if you know the logic, you will know where to find this information and how to use it. So always learn the logic behind what I'm saying. Okay, it'll be a little difficult for most of them, but if you don't give a little bit of dedication, it's difficult to learn in trading. So learn the logics behind it rather than mugging up saying click on dashboard, go to this one, take a stock. No, go understand the logic behind why I'm taking it. So let's say long build up. Today I have an example. So this is long build up. I had taken a stock, let's say Apollo Hospital, and I had also informed that in my secret Telegram channel also. So I had mentioned about the long build up going on in Apollo Hospital, and we were looking at these levels, let's say 4729 levels. Now it's almost already reached around this level, around 4757. Okay, so it's a good movements happening out there already. I saw the stock around 4625 levels. If you see 4625 levels, I am watching this stock, and I keep researching a lot of things. And this secret Telegram channel is not for giving calls or buy calls or something. I don't prefer giving buy call, sell call, nothing. I keep researching a lot of things. I have 3 monitors over here. I use my phone. I do a lot of research. So certain things consistently, when things are working out, I ask them to observe, because if they observe, it will be easy for them to watch the stock, take advantage of that, and it's up to them based on their skill. They may scalp or they may learn. So I always prefer them to learn. So that's the reason I put here, but I'm just giving an example. Let's say today I got it from here. Maybe tomorrow I may get information from different sources. Tomorrow this may not work, but another things may be working. So just a heads up only, I don't give buy or sell call in secret Telegram channel. So lifetime learning, like I tell, once you join here, whenever whatever new things we learn, we keep adding here. And I share this learning video also there so that they don't miss. I also share the learning video links, because you would have got disconnected with YouTube, but tomorrow you come after a week, you have all these details here only. So you can click on those and just watch the video, because I would have told the logic maybe behind picking this only in secret Telegram channel, or maybe overall YouTube I would have told. Like in this video, I'm telling for everybody in the YouTube. So there are methods, and there are certain methods, private methods, which I not tell everybody, because everybody take advantage there, things won't work. So anyways, this was Apollo Hospital, one example only. So if you go to the derivatives, futures and options like this, if you go to long build-up. So what is long build-up? So I told you open interest is nothing but a lot of people are opening their contracts. They have not closed their contracts. And once they close their contract, open interest will reduce. Here you can see that the open interest is going up as well as the price is going up. Okay, that means what? A lot of open interest, a lot of contracts which are coming is bullish. The price expectation is up for Apollo Hospital, and what I would suggest is looking at this in the morning, because you see morning there is good volume, then it will dry up. So looking at this at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it may be, you'll be late. Early in the morning, let's say leaving the market to trade, let's say half an hour, and then looking at this chart and seeing which is having good build up happening. So long build up. So build up means what? Normally we say, hey, don't give too much build up, we say, right? So basically people are giving a lot of build up to this stock. A lot of people are entering this stock. And if I see the data, open interest is going up. So a lot of people are opening their contracts and price is going up. That means what? Too many buyers, they are expecting it to go up. So that is the reason it's saying long build up. Same thing ulta. The open interest is going up, okay, the open interest is going up, but the price is falling. So that means what? Too many sellers contracts. So the contracts dominating is sellers contract, the price is falling. So this we call a short buildup. For shorting, these are the stocks which you get. For buying, long buildup is the stock which you need to consider. So these are the two easy way which you can consider for buying a stock. Now, should you wait for 1%, 2%, 3%? See, there are days the stock may go 1%, the stock may go 2%. So considering that if you expect every day it to move, someday it will go 0.5, 0.6 and reverse. So what I would say is, even the stock and a lot of traders are considering a long buildup is happening, the stock is going to get pushed and all that, scalp 0.2%, 0.3%, 0.4%, 0.5%. Just scalp whatever percentage you want, just scalp it. If it is futures, the brokerage is less. If it is equity, minor upside. So 0.3 you can scalp. But you can take Apollo Hospital, let's say in future or in options, not in options, in future and equity also, because both go hand in hand. Long unwinding and short covering is there, something which you need to understand. Now this one is like a lot of people if you see the open interest will be falling down. That means people are closing their contracts. Somebody had taken a contract, they are closing. Now someone would have taken a buy contracts, okay, long back, few days back. Now he is trying to close his position. So because he closed, the open interest is falling, and if he sees the price is falling. Now looking at this, you should not think, okay, this stock is falling, Sun TV is falling, let me go and short. They are not looking to short, they are trying to cover their position. Whoever took buy, now they are closing their position. So when they hit sell, obviously the price corrections happen. Because there is no demand. You see, open interest is reducing. The contracts is not increasing or increasing in this stock, sale, Sun TV and all that. Same way short covering. In short covering also, if you see open interest is falling, that means people are closing their contracts. And what's happening? Price is going up. Why? Because they had shorted earlier, and today, because to cover their positions, they will to buy. Because of this buying, the stock goes up. You see here 2% and all that, it's positive. Now looking at this 2.9, you may say, okay, Petronet, I'm going to buy right now. And as soon as I buy, it's not moving only. The reason it came to 2.9% maybe because people cover their position. So you were unlucky, you got stuck here because nobody is interested to buy here. You're getting my point? So before taking your stock, these informations will help you to understand, okay, these are the stocks I should be very careful because it is not going up because people are buying it. They're trying to cover their position. Short covering, long unwinding. But the actual stock which you need to consider is long build up and short build up. So this information will help you to understand your stocks in equity also. So same stock you can use for Apollo Hospital equity or Apollo Hospital futures. If you go by percentage, if you see here, most of them are going up along with the open interest going up. So morning, you may have a different stock and you may scalp in the morning, and by afternoon the stock may change, because when I saw the stock was Tech Mahindra and so on. Now the stock has changed. It's not that you see a stock here and whole day he'll be upside. Doesn't happen. If you're a beginner, you may think so, but it doesn't happen like that. The stock may totally change. All you need to do is scalp at levels and take out, or use levels and support and resistance and escape between those levels. Okay. So this is one of the easy ways. So now if you don't have an angel broking, what do? You can find this, search for long build up stocks, whichever website comes in the top, Just go randomly there, you get the information. Let's say here it is giving stock. You can search for stock instead of options. You can give futures. So you see Apollo Hospital came here. And if you see the percentage wise, if you see next is this one and Tech Mahindra is here. See here it is not in order. I don't know if we can do any filter, but you need to manually search the order and roughly you get to know, okay, these are stocks and all that. In angel broking, we had the benefit where it is only giving in order highest percentage with good open interest. So that is the reason it was easy for us to check out. If you don't have that information, you can directly check out in Google, in any of the websites, free websites and all that, to find out these type of stocks. So hope this video also will add on to you guys. So these type of learning videos, I am sure that learning videos is a little bit disturbing and little hard to understand, and it is a little bit of pressuring to the brain, but not many will watch out and learn, because that's how the market I've seen the market is. So not many would learn, only few people would learn. This video is for those few people who are trying to give their best in learning from every sources. So these informations are very important to you guys. It will definitely help you guys along with your methods. You may pick a stock. Now you can apply your support, resistance, technicals and price action to these stocks and try to take advantage with your target and exit and all that you can apply to this stock picking, intraday stock picking method. So hope you guys won't get stuck or you won't be waiting the whole day to pick a stock. This method can help you, and we will be sharing a lot of methods like this. Whenever I'm free, I will just record a video for you guys and edit and post. So see you soon with one more learning video. Till then, take care, stay safe.